scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Implicit differentiation problems are fast to solve if you follow the steps. Let us find that second derivative right now. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. This gives 2y dy dx minus 2x equals 0. Solving for dy dx gives x over y. Now we use the quotient rule to find the second derivative. That means we take the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom. Substitute x by y for dy by dx and simplify the fraction. This leads to the final result, which matches option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given equations to simplify your final steps.